Hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. All right. Today is March the 6th here, and it's a good old Tuesday. Not much is going on, although futures are up. That's what we're looking at here. Um, these are all the futures. I actually messed up that one day and gave you the I don't know what the hell I gave you /NQ, but this is NQH8. I don't know what H8 means. I don't know the difference. But anyway, here we have everyone. Nasdaq. This is the Dow YM, and ESH is going to be the what's it called? Uh, S&P. All right. Well, not much is going on in terms of news. We pretty much are flat, but there's one article that just here proves. After months of declines, apartment sales in Manhattan fell in January to the lowest monthly rate since 2012, 6-year low. Declining sales price and volume has intensified. Um, so there you go. Pretty much take it or leave it. There you are. Um, and I just want to say, don't listen to the mainstream media. Yeah, okay, you could watch it, but there's they're lying to you. It's anything that's on the airways, radio, television, it has to be okayed by the CIA. The CIA basically dictates what we can and can't, listen to. So, with that being said, all these corporations, they want CNBC to pump up their stock or pump up their company, and that's what they do well. And you get stuck in that narrative, and you can't see the bigger picture. That you know the bigger picture is that this country was taken from the founding fathers and turned into something that the founding fathers did not want. And this is continuing to happen. The Federal Reserve was created in 1913. That was just around the time of World War One. Like, all these worldly events are going on at that time frame. So that's a historical context of um, why I kind of don't trust the media and why I don't trust what's going on, because I can look to the past and see, that two world wars have occurred, and that we've had great time. What, 70 years? No, more since World War One. Um, so there you have it. That was a little rant. There you go. I'm gonna keep giving little rants to you about my political takes. But I'm sure most of you view the same way. The mainstream's dead. But here's some things. Gold back bounce. I remember last night I was saying, oh, gold chart looked awful, and it did, and it pretty much had a bounce last night. Um, if you want, I could pull up the gold future chart just so you could see it right in the middle. And right here, it had a little bounce off my fib line. It's a pretty big bounce, but I don't. I'm not sure if this rally can hold with gold, because it's at um, the 38 Fibonacci sequence. You can't see it because of this red candle, but look, it's backing down off this 1330, 1331, 1332 range. And that's what we're gonna have to really pass. We're gonna have to gain support, pop through, gain support at that, and then move higher. Almost, I'm pretty sure that's exactly what happened in another day. Yeah, look, see, it had the support here, but it couldn't move higher. So it was a very sad moment for gold. Okay, let's put NQAH8, and I'm pretty sure that's the Nasdaq futures. So let's zoom in. I mean, I could do minute if you guys want, but I think daily is fine for now, just to get a picture of what the direction, the market's going. So gold is up a little bit. Um, Silver also up. That's up pretty. They all spiked pretty much. Softness in the dollar is helping the precious metal gold. That's very true. The Dixie will continue to fall, and the Dixie is shot. The Dixie is shot. Um, let's see if the Chinese hold on to their dollars. They might come back and buy our land out under us, and if they do that, then all those dollars are going to be recirculating, and we'll have more inflation. Um, let's see. The dollar weakness is triggered because of the worries around political global trade war. Donald Trump is facing strong political pressure to soften his stance towards his announcements of trade tariffs. NAFTA deal is signed and becomes reality. He may change his mind towards these tariffs. So that's interesting, but like we covered yesterday, they only got 6 out of the 50 freaking things they have to go for. Okay. Broader market trading Tuesday showed some ease now and jitters around the trade. The risk on mood was helped by comments from House Speaker Paul Ryan, who warned about the political fallout if Trump planned to impose steel and aluminum imports went ahead. Um, Stock futures took an additional step higher after South Korea's presidential office stepped into. We don't really care. Kim Jong Un met with the senior from Pyongyang, and he wanted to write new history of a national reunification. Oh, that's pretty big, reports said North Korea. Suspend testing during the summit. That's excellent. Okay. A trio of Federal Reserve speakers is on the circuit Tuesday. New York Fed President William Dudley is scheduled to give a speech on economic conditions and recovery efforts in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Virginian. That's funny. After the market close, Fed Governor Lael Brainerd will speak on the economy and monetary policy in New York. Dallas Fed Chair Rob Kaplan will take part in moderated discussion in an annual energy conference in Houston. The data calendar is light, which we went over. Factory orders are due at 10 Eastern Time. So we're going to wait for the highlight of the week, the February non-farm payrolls report on Friday. So again, uh, we're pretty much just going to have to, uh, you know, wait and see what is going on because, you know, we you have to be reactionary to markets. Okay. So with that being said, I mean, what's it look like here? It looks like we're doing what I said we're doing, is creating this long kind of movement in the tricks. It does look like though we're spiking up here in the CCI and the MACD histo is curling on the Dow Jones. On the Nasdaq, we're already up, so we could probably just keep increasing here, but nothing substantial. This is going to be a light week, and I don't think big moves are going to happen. I think, if anything, we might have one down day or something, but it's going to be a light down day, and nothing's really going to change. Let's say. What the hell is this shit? Okay. So let's just look up the actual. The lag is real. The lag is real. Thank you. Alright, come on. Fuck off. Okay, so, I mean, I guess we pretty much are set to hit these highs here. It's gonna break the range that I suggested. You know, I don't know if the market could gain 100 points. Let's just check. What did this? 7 to, yeah. So we could gain another 100 points today, possibly even break above it. Go 200 on the comp. Um, we're gonna have to see though what trading says, because I thought yesterday we're gonna pop above it and then come back down, but looks like futures are very strong today, so that's gonna be something to consider. So we're gonna have another up day, pretty strong. Gold, we looked at gold already. That was decent. Gold is trying to make moves here. I'll pop gold up. Gold is traded consistently here, all around the world. Now, gold on the daily looks to be set for a breakout, but oh my gosh, it's gonna do it. And it's gonna break it. I might have to trade some JNUG. Alright, here's some other trades. Micron. Amazon. And let's put up Netflix. Amazon has some forward positive news here. Um, so this down run is already reversed here. And will most likely charge up. Look at this Netflix run though. Netflix has got a little bit more room to go on this fib, and then it's gonna break it. Absolute crazy. Micron Technologies, I'm pretty sure they make chips. Looks like they're breaking out here from this flat top breakout. So they could still keep going. They didn't even really go too far over the RSI, so these are some trades that are going on. Some low flow instant trades. We had INNT and RNVA. So this is an extreme sub penny. OTC RNVA. INNT could be done, especially because it's not doing so well after hours, or pre-market rather. Let me pop up another scanner here. We'll check if we can see anything moving. But that's pretty much it. Um, Again, we're gonna look out for those non-performing payrolls on Friday. Consumer debt. So those are just some of the things we're looking for. Where are we here? We're at 13 minutes. Let's see. Is there anything else I could say? Gold could be breaking out, like I said. Oh, and this is possibly this ran today, pre-market into close actually. FC. NXTD. That was a spiker. Okay. So pretty much can't break this resistance here. Yeah, this is heavy resistance for NXTD. Okay, so I'm a little bit late on the report here. I think I'm gonna call it quits and probably make a report halfway through the day or during the day, just to update and maybe possibly see some news articles or something that maybe have interest. All right, thank you very much, guys. I'm gonna call it here. Talk to you later.